Is it a good idea to invest in Bitcoin in 2023? Hello and welcome to our video on whether it's a good idea to invest in Bitcoin in 2023. But before moving forward, raise the disclaimer: this is not a financial advice. We only share the information for knowledge and entertainment purpose. At LifeBits we bring contents that improve your lives daily. Bitcoin, the world's largest cryptocurrency, has been a topic of discussion for quite some time now. In this video, we'll discuss the current state of Bitcoin, its potential future, and whether you should invest in it. Bitcoin, the world's largest cryptocurrency, which was at its 9-month high at $28,000 levels, continues to trade in a consolidated manner, above $27,850 levels at the time of writing. Bitcoin started correcting its prices once it was not able to cross the crucial resistance level of $28,000 last week. However, it continues to hold at $27,000 levels with an immediate resistance level of $28,000. However, the global cryptocurrency market capitalization is trading higher around $1.16 trillion, which constitutes a rise of almost 0.68% in the last 24 hours. BTC might be trying hard to touch $28,000 levels, but its dominance is continuously rising. BTC dominance is at a 9-month high, above 45% for the first time since June 2022. It is to be noted, Bitcoin's dominance continues to increase while most of the altcoins such as Cardano, ADA, Polkadot, DIO, Avalanche, AVAX, Litecoin, LTC, and many other have slumped, and BTC maintains above $27,500 mark. BTC has witnessed a sharp rebound of more than 20% after the nerve-wracking previous sessions. At the time of writing, Bitcoin is comfortably trading in the positive range of 27,500 levels. Just a week before, the world's largest cryptocurrency, Bitcoin, plunged under the levels of $20,000. This week saw the technology-focused Silicon Valley Bank fallout spiraling the US banking system in a frenzy. While the future of Bitcoin remains unknown, retail investors need to be very watchful and cautious about each and every move of Bitcoin, as it has been quite a tumultuous month for Bitcoin. Bitcoiners should not forget that the currency is still trading almost 65% low from its all-time high. The reasons for such volatility has been the macroeconomic conditions of the major markets such as the US and the UK. Bitcoin is an incredibly speculative investment. Its price is driven by a wide range of factors, including global economic conditions, government regulations, and investor sentiment. As such, it's difficult to predict where its price will go in the future. So, if we closely observe the data, past Bitcoin halving events have been able to establish long-term bullish drivers for Bitcoin's price. The Bitcoin halving event directly relates to its deflationary tendency and squeezes its supply, which helps the BTC price to rise further. As Bitcoin, being a decentralized cryptocurrency, cannot be printed by governments or any central banks, and thus the total supply of Bitcoin is limited. Moreover, large investors, which are known as Bitcoin whales, have started accumulating BTC once again. According to data from on-chain aggregator Santiment, the large Bitcoin whales are holding between 1,000 to 10,000 BTC in their wallets, indicating that investors have been filling up their wallets with a lot of BTC, which might show the recovery sign in the price of Bitcoin. Can Bitcoin reach $100,000 by 2023? We all know that BTC has rallied more than 80% since the start of this year. With such massive and unexpected gains, it has surely outpaced several other major assets and given tremendous returns to those who have bought BTC at dips. The industry is really excited to witness the new peak of the world's largest cryptocurrency and hoping for more. Marshall Beard, Chief Strategy Officer at US-based cryptocurrency exchange Gemini, believes Bitcoin to break all-time highs this year. He said, $100,000 price figure is an interesting number if Bitcoin gets to its previous record high of near $69,000. If Bitcoin really touches this magical figure, then it has to show an upside of 270% to reach at the level of $1 lakh. Paulo Ardoino, Chief Technology Officer at Tether, also has quite an optimistic view on Bitcoin. He said Bitcoin could retest its all-time high near $69,000. Nonetheless, 2023 seems to be a good year for Bitcoin advocates who always consider it as a safe haven investment or digital gold, which can offer investors a good hedging opportunity or attractive return in times of mayhem. Bitcoin, which got a major boost on hopes that the US financial and banking situation can reduce the chances of more aggressive interest rate hikes by the US Federal Reserve. Can Bitcoin reach $1 million by 2025? Bitcoin lovers always have too bright and at times impossible predictions for their favorite currency. And, post this mini bull run, there are several discussions running around that the world's largest digital coin, BTC, could even witness a level of $10 lakh by the year 2025. This notable and hypothetical figure of $10 lakh has been echoed by a number of prominent personalities in the crypto space. Will Bitcoin crash again in 2023? There are another set of investors, corporates and large institutions who hold an opposite view, bearish, on Bitcoin and firmly believe that Bitcoin might fall in the near future. They considered this rally as a major bull trap rather than a bull run. Veteran global investor, Mark Mobius, the billionaire founder of Mobius Capital Partners, already predicted a huge fall in 2022 and said that Bitcoin could even fall till the $10,000 range. Similarly, the same is predicted by another maverick investor, Matthew Siegel, head of digital assets research at VanEck, a global investment manager, sees Bitcoin to drop to $12,000 levels, citing higher energy prices. Moreover, global bank Standard Chartered's prediction on Bitcoin is super surprising. They predicted that Bitcoin could fall to $5,000 levels in 2023. Experts believe that the rising interest rates and tighter monetary policy will not allow Bitcoin to rebound sharply in the near future. As in this kind of uncertain market, investors will not prefer to invest or buy risky assets such as Bitcoin. And those who have been holding BTC might sell their positions, creating undue pressure on the markets again. How should investors approach Bitcoin in 2023? With such varied predictions on Bitcoin, what should be the approach of crypto investors? With such uncertainty around, maybe it is the best time to observe the Bitcoin moves carefully rather than taking any action which might lead to severe losses. Even the crypto industry experts believe that it is a wait-and-watch mode for crypto investors and any further action must be taken very carefully. Bitcoin crosses $30,000 for the first time since June 2022. Bitcoin has surged almost 9% this week and touched a 10-month high. Last week, Bitcoin touched its was trading around $28,000 levels, and as soon as it broke this level on April 7, 2023, BTC started surging and touched $30,000 on April 23, 2023. Bitcoin, which was hovering around $20,000, started showing upside movement once the news of the fallout of technology-focused Silicon Valley Bank in the US broke out. Since then, Bitcoin has witnessed a sharp rebound in its prices and climbed nearly 80% up this year. The global cryptocurrency market capitalization is trading higher around $1.24 trillion, which constitutes a rise of almost 4.49% in the last 24 hours. At this time, experts believe that the next key level for BTC to cross is $35,000 if the upside price momentum continues. Crypto experts believe the surge in BTC is fueled by the probability that the Federal Reserve, Fed, is expected to likely pause its aggressive stance to curb inflation by increasing interest rates one more time. With the US banks showing advanced credit risks battered by consecutive rate hikes and recession fears engulfing the US economy, the Fed is expected to slow down its aggressive stance on policy rates. As a domino effect, the recent financial crisis in the US has exposed risks in the banking system and upped the appetite for decentralized currency in the form of cryptocurrencies, which are often looked at as safer alternatives to the conventional banking system in a global environment full of uncertainty. In conclusion, investing in Bitcoin in 2023 is a decision that should be carefully considered. While some experts believe that Bitcoin has the potential to grow significantly in the future, it's important to remember that it's an incredibly speculative investment. We hope that this video has helped you make a more informed decision about whether to invest in Bitcoin or not. Thank you for watching. Please don't forget to hit the like button, leave a comment, and subscribe to my channel, and let me know in the comments what type of videos you would like to see next.